In this video, we'll show how you can create a document template by importing a report definition. So we'll start out by creating a brand new report. So let's go here and say new, and we'll create a report based on a SQL data source. So we'll use a free-form report. So we'll go now to our data source and we'll use North Winds, and then we'll choose the customer table. And then we'll define some arguments, and we'll say what country, and then we'll define a where clause that consumes that argument. So we'll say where, and then we'll add a new condition where country is equal to what country. Finish that. So we'll go here and type in and then we'll design our report. I'll just go and grab all these fields and drop them on the report. And I'll just go save it now as report one. So now let's go and create a new document template and import this report definition. So I'll go to document templates and I'll say new, and then I'll say import to report definition. There's report one. And we can see that the document template is created over here. It's automatically built the data source for the report, and it's also automatically built the layout. So we'll go here and we'll just type in, say, USA. And there's the report layout. And if I go and say preview, that's what the report is going to look like. So let's go ahead now and save this document. So I'll call it report one. And then go back to my UX component over here and add another button to show this. So this is show report document template. So we'll go there and we'll choose the open document template action. And then we'll go here and choose report one. Now, report one was defined with arguments, so we can bind the argument now to any control on the UX, or we can bind it to a static value. So I'll just go there and type in UK. And we'll display the PDF in the PDF viewer control. So in order to make this a little bit more interesting, let's add a drop-down that has a pick list in it of all the available countries. So I'm going to go here to add control and then choose drop down. And I'll call it country. And then we'll go to the choices for this drop down. And we'll say that it's a dynamic drop down. And the choices come from the Northwind table, and then we'll go here and we'll choose customers as the table, and we'll choose country as the field. And then we'll go back to our action JavaScript here, and we'll change the binding of that argument from hard-coded UK to be the country over there. And now we'll close this down. And let's go to this country field and give it a default value. So we'll go to the default value here. And we'll say that the default value is UK. So now go ahead and save this. Go over into working preview. And show the report. So there's the data for the UK. Let's close this down now and change this to a different country. We'll change it to, say, Germany. And we can see now that basically the data updates for Germany. Let's run this in live mode to see what the performance is like in live mode. So we'll go here and choose, say, Germany, and then print the report so you can see it's extremely quick. And now go and choose a different country. And there's the report very quickly done. So let's go now and add another button that will print this report definition, not the document template. So we'll go here and say report. And then we'll go here and we'll say open it or email a report. And then the report that we want to use is this report one. And this report obviously also has arguments. So we'll bind those arguments to that drop down and go ahead now and run this. So now we've basically got two buttons on our UX, one that prints the document template and one that prints the report definition. So let's go back now and choose this report button. So we see that basically the report opens up, and it's not quite as fast as the document template, which is significantly faster, especially for complicated report layouts. So what we've shown so far is how you can use document templates to produce PDFs. But what you can also do is go here to the document template, and instead of producing a PDF, you can produce a Microsoft DocX file. And if you choose the DocX option, then what you have to do is you have to set your target either to be email or XBasic. So then if you want, you have to either click this email document, so the docx file will be emailed to the recipient, or you can write XBasic, in which case you can write whatever code you want in your XBasic event handler to process the docx file. Thanks very much for watching.